Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I am super excited because I get to do my very first sneak peek for you from P.A.M Diamond Paintings. So this canvas is called Watching You and is by an artist called Sally Jacob of the Punk Faery artworks. So I'm just going to get it straight out and show you what we've got because I'm very excited about this one. So here is our canvas. So this is of course poured glue. We've got a lovely soft lint backed canvas. It has got a scalloped and poked edge. And this is a 50 by 70 square drill. So let's see if I can get this all in. I don't think I can. This is going to be near impossible to get it all in. Let's see. Yeah, too many lights reflecting on it, but I will do you a sideways look anyway, because that way we'll get more of it in. So we have got this lovely, beautifully rendered eye here. I am a bit of a sucker for eyes. They tend to be, I think everybody has the thing that they doodle, and with me it's eyes. So seeing this, I was really intrigued by the idea of it being an eye, and then it's got these lovely moths covering her face. So she's got three moths, of which you can mostly see two of them, and then her blue tinted hair coming down. I think this is really lovely. So this has 46 colours. There are 4 ABs in there, so it'll be interesting to see where they're going to go. Hopefully we're going to get some sparkle in the eye. I think we might be. So let's we'll have a little close-up look. So this is, you can see just by looking at the eye. Obviously we've got a big old chunk of colour blocking there for the black, but for the most part this is quite confetti heavy, but I think that's needed for this style of artwork. You're not going to get this detail from large colour block areas, and so that's fine. So I knew what I was getting into when I said that I would do this, and I'm most happy to do it. In terms of our, I'm just going to put you back on the eye because that's beautiful. In terms of our kit, we get a lovely little toolkit. We're getting two plates of really dark red wax there. Nice, very nice indeed. They go in a little caddy. We've got our moss fur spouted boat. We've got a, oh, come on, focus. Slightly sparkly pen with a brass single placer tip. That has then got a 3, a 5 and a 7 placer. We also get a squishy to save your fingers and a good set of tweezers. Additionally, I've got a very nice astrology themed washi tape here. It's very nice indeed. I'll put that to one side because I'll be using that for lots of things. So that's our kit. So you're getting everything you need plus a bunch of extras there. No complaints at all. In terms of our symbols, we've got 1 through 9 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, so 1 through 9 is 1 through 9 on the canvas. And then we've got alphabetical and what's that? 10 symbols maybe? Mostly maths symbols, nothing unusual. And then we've got a big old bunch of drills. So we'll look through the drills and then we'll look for those ABs on the canvas. So we've got a little inventory sheet here. And we've also got stickers here, which are individual pre-cut stickers. So yeah, really cool. I like that a lot. So everything comes pre-bagged, which is very nice. That is a lot of purple. 55 grams of 3042, which is a light mauve, like a dusty mauve. That's 3042. That's going to be the equal symbol. So that's going to be, where's that going? Just throughout, I think. Let's find these ABs. Oh gosh, that's not an AB, but that colour really sticks out amongst these others. What is that? 3844. Interesting. I wonder if that's going to be in her eyes. Ah, are you a... No? Come on, where have you gone? Yeah, so... We've got no 310 in this. Got a big old bag of 939, but no 310. And I'm having a moment not being able to find that other AB. It's a reddish colour. No. There you are, found you. Okay, so we've got, so you can see that sparkle on there beautifully. So that's AB 601. We've got 3766, beautiful blue. Really pale, like a baby blue there, 775, and finally 996. So these are great. I can't see any issues with any of the drills thus far. They all look lovely. Let's just find out where those ABs are going to go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's start with that eye. So we've got the 996. That is the check mark or tick symbol, so you can see that in the eye there nice and clearly. So that's going to be in her eye. It also do we see it in her hair as well? No, not in her hair. Okay. The pale, the sort of medium pale blue, I should say, is the music note symbol. So again, we're seeing the music note in her eye. That is also through her hair. And the 775. That one is the black dot. So wherever you see a black dot, you're going to get that sparkle. And that is again sprinkled throughout. So we're seeing it all across here in this highlight. Sprinkled in her hair again. And finally The 601 is the double music note, and that is in the deepest red sections of this moth here, and again in these deep red sections. So yeah, so the 451, these big bags, is the letter C, so this is going to go through her skin. The large mauve colour is the equal symbol again, so her skin is going to be made up of these colours here. That's kind of gonna make up her skin tone. And then wherever you see the letter Z, where we've got these large dark sections, that's your 939. So all in all, I think this is going to be, for me, this will be a challenge to work on, but I'm looking forward to it because it's such a beautiful image. I think the key for me with working on such what I would consider a high confetti level canvas is to work in small sections. That's what I found works best for me. Otherwise I get a bit overwhelmed and I find myself sort of chasing a symbol across the canvas rather than sticking to my section. But yeah, I am very, very excited to get to work on this, very pleased. So again, this is Watching You. It is available for pre-order from the Monday the 3rd of March. So that will be up as soon as I see that it is available for pre-order. I will pop a link down below. So yeah, it's a 50 by 70 full drill with ABs. Yeah, and it is available in round and square. So if squares aren't your thing, you could give it a go in rounds. But I am going to leave this here. Thank you to Pam for sending me this to sneak peek for her. I can't wait to have a go at getting this kit up and starting to work on it. And I will, of course, share my progress with you as I go. Even if this particular canvas is not your thing, it is well worth going and checking out Pam's site because there is a little bit of something for everyone. And if you are interested in a very, very different style of canvas provided by Pam, then do go and check out my video from Twin Peaks Day. I will pop a link up in the eye where you can see me unbox 2 canvases that I purchased from Pam to celebrate my love of the Twin Peaks franchise. So I am going to leave this here. Thank you to those of you that support me over on Patreon and here as channel members. You guys are the absolute best and I couldn't do it without you. If you want to join them, you can do so from as little as 99p per month and I will send you some stickers. Thanks for watching today. I appreciate all of your likes, shares, comments, and of course subscribe if you haven't already. You can always come over to Facebook, find us at the Crafty Coven. And until next time, stay crafty!